7 reasons why iPhone is the best smartphone in the world. When purchasing a new smartphone, people usually have to choose between two of the most popular operating systems. Here are 7 reasons why iPhone is the best smartphone. 1. Information security. Information security companies unanimously agree that iPhones are more secure than Android devices. According to a report by Forbes, 97% of smartphone malware targets Android phones. 2. The Apple ecosystem. The range of Apple products has grown notably in recent years. Apple started out making computers and has since added music players, tablet computers, and smartwatches to their product selection. Today, Apple provides a wide range of products and services for various purposes. The closed ecosystem also guarantees the user safety. The operating environment is secure when devices, users, manufacturers, and app developers are all in the same ecosystem. 3. Ease of use. iPhones are known for their ease of use. Their usability comes from simple operating logic. All the apps are launched from the home screen. All the settings, for example, can be found under one menu. And even if you upgrade your iPhone to the newest model, the operating system still works the same way, and taking it into use is easy. 4. Get the best apps first. The developers of the best and highest quality apps still favor Apple, and this explains why iPhone is the best phone in the world. Most apps use Apple's App Store as their launch platform and release their apps there much earlier than they do in the Android phone's Google Play Store. This has been the case with some of the most popular apps of recent years, such as Super Mario Run and Snapchat. 5. Apple Pay. Apple Pay is Apple's payment service, which enables making credit and debit card payments using your phone. Paying works the same way as contactless payment with a plastic card, by placing the phone by the card reader. The card is protected with Face ID, Touch ID, or the phone's passcode, which let you keep your payment information safe. Apple Pay can also be used to make purchases in apps. Reserving a hotel room, shopping for clothes, or ordering a pizza couldn't be easier. Google Pay is not yet available in many countries, so users in need of a simple and easy mobile payment method should opt for the Apple iPhone. 6. Family sharing. The Apple iPhone is a good choice for children, especially if the entire family is using Apple devices and phones. Phone use is safe because parents can easily keep track of what their children are doing with their phones. There is no risk of children downloading inappropriate or paid apps, as family sharing enables parental approval for their children's apps. And when children start to go to school by themselves, for example, parents can keep track of the journey with the Find My feature. 7. iPhones hold their value. Since new smartphone models with attractive features are published often, people constantly want to upgrade their phones to newer models. When people stop using their phones and buy a new one, they often want to sell their still functional old phone at the best possible price. Apple phones keep their resale value far better than Android phones. Phones are made of high-quality materials, which goes a long way in helping them maintain their resale value. Apple phones also remain as flagship models and up to date longer, as there is only one manufacturer, and new and better phones aren't launched as often as Android phones. What do you think, guys? Let's know in the comments section.